Jackson, tell me, what's that?
My birthday.
Lightning McQueen cake?
I'm gonna watch you do that.
Is this Lightning McQueen
Mom, are
cake?
you not gonna wrap
What? No, I'll just set it on the table next to him.
this? Next to him right now?
Huh?
Right now?
No, not yet. In a minute.
Okay.
Maria,
You know, the first time I blocked that one. Did you see us exchange?
Yeah. I was doing that last night with the rocket launcher.
Maria, do you want to get next to me?
Over and sit down.
Is that your birthday cake? Jackson's 4th birthday.
Not yet. Hunter, you don't blow.
Whoa, it's melting.
Okay, ready? Ready? 1. Everybody sing. 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, you gotta take your breath. Okay, wait. Oh, you did it. In one. Okay, so open your card.
Can you see anything?
No, these right here. This is from Grandma and Grandpa
See everything now?
Bannock, Grandma Linda, Grandpa Gordon, and then this right here is from Grandma and Grandpa Strong. You got money, money.
Mommy.
Lots of money.
How much money did you get, Jack?
$4. $4.
Or you guys, Jack?
He doesn't know. $4.
Okay, open the other one.
Open this one. How? Look at the back. Look at the back.
On the back.
Oh, and then you rip this.
Yep.
Get it?
Oh, you didn't even rip it.
You don't need to rip it now.
Yeah. Just pull it out.
Just pull the card out.
How?
I
Right.
don't know why this thing's not
This.
focusing.
Are you off of auto?
Yeah, there you go.
He
You
also
get the
got
lens.
more money.
The lens usually stays the same.
He doesn't care about the lens.
You got more money. Ooh, look at that card. What is that?
We
Jack
get
got
that
You got more money.
Jackson. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you got lightning,
It's
2
$10.
Lightning McQueens
What do you get $10 for?
from Grandma and Grandpa.
Which ones?
My mom and dad.
Why don't you
and
open
from
your presents,
Grandma
my
Linda
kiddo?
and Grandpa Gordon. He
They
got
don't
the
even
other
give me
one.
$10.
What? Guess what?
Sure.
They're feeling.
Why don't you start with this one?
Hunter, this isn't your birthday. Look at
Back up, Hunt.
Hunter, back up.
that.
Batman!
Pull
Why
it
don't you
out.
pull it out? Oh, yeah.
Still act surprised even though.
Go ahead, pull it. Don't worry, pull.
You probably need the smaller one, huh? Or how's that one?
Wow.
Wow, that looks like
That
what-
looks just like the one you wanted at the store. What a coincidence.
I'm just moving the bag out of the way.
Optimus Prime.
Did you buy that at the store?
Yeah.
Oh.
Number one.
Let me see, Jack. Hold it up. Smile with it.
Hold it up.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Mom, did it?
Look.
It's Bumblebee.
Mom, did it transform?
Yeah.
How? Let's figure it out.
Everything's how?
He's at that age. Why?
Why?
This is the one you just opened.
And that one, this one.
Oh, no.
Oh.
One more.
Under my hair.
What is it? Buzz Lightyear video game?
Yeah!
Wow, you can play that on the Wii today.
Hey, that sounds like fun.
You wanna
I will play with
do you want to do that?
Yeah. Because we
Yeah.
always play together.
I'm gonna open it for you.
Happy birthday, Jackson.
Happy birthday.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday, Jackson.
Dad,
Thank you, Mom.
did you tell Daddy thank you? Jackson, you tell Daddy thank you?
Thank you, Dad.
Why don't you go give him a hug?
You're welcome, baby.
Yeah, why don't you go give
Let me show you.
You bet, Bennett.
Nick, it's a Transformer Samurai.
Oh, dude, what? You bet, Bennett.
Look, Jack.
Hey, on that, you bet, Bennett.
No, it only has one Batman.
What?
Yeah, it has one, but it transforms. See, look, Batman's inside of it.
And now look.
How?
And then watch.
Whoa!
That's pretty cool.
That's cool, isn't it, Jack?
This back.
What you really need, Nick, you need to carry around that sniper and the massive pistol.
This what?
Austin says it was their teeth taken out yesterday. Still keeping ice on it. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That in there. That in there.
That's creepy.
Yeah, I know, it's not weird, the eyes.
Transform?
Yeah.
Hang on. Jeez. So impatient.
He's more involved with the sound effects.
I'm many.
Look.
Dart throwing, tossing, egg, flinging fun. Now in 3D.
Wait, Kitty?
3D, that Toy Story movie game is in 3D, Jack.
How?
How?